Welcome to the SNGREP Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use SNGREP's command line options to help you troubleshoot your PBX issues. Let's start by choosing which network adapter to run SNGREP on by using the TAC lowercase d. First, we'll run the iPaddr command and get the names of all the network devices on this system. If we enter SNGREP TACD ETH0, SNGREP will only capture packets on the ETH0 device. If you're looking to troubleshoot phone call issues, TAC lowercase c might be the way to go. The TAC C option will only capture invite conversations. The TAC lowercase l option will limit the number of conversations being captured. As you can see, I've set the number of captures to 5. Once SNGREP has captured 5 conversations, it will stop capturing any more packets. The TAC R or rotate option can be used in conjunction with the TAC L option. In our previous example, we captured 5 packets and stopped. When we use the TAC R option in conjunction with TAC L, SNGREP will continue capturing conversations by rotating out the oldest conversation with a new conversation. This option is great if you only need to see the most recent traffic. By using the TAC O option, we can output our conversations to a capture file. Please note that by default, SNGREP will only capture SIP signaling traffic and not RTP audio traffic. If you wish to capture RTP audio data as well, use the TAC lowercase r option. If you just want to capture packets and not observe the traffic, use the TAC N option to disable the N curses interface. You can use the TAC N option with the TAC lowercase q option to disable all output. This option is great for running SNGREP in the background. To run SNGREP in the background, add an ampersand to the end of your command. To bring the command back to the foreground, just use the FG command. To stop the SNGREP process, press Ctrl and C at the same time. The TAC I option is used to open a capture file for examination. If you want to search for information inside of your SIP conversations, just add your search string as the last argument. By default, searches are case sensitive. If you want your search to be case insensitive, use the TAC lowercase I option. If you want to search for conversations that do not contain your string, use the TAC lowercase v option to search for the inverse. In this video, we demonstrated how to use SNGREP's command line options. In upcoming videos, we will demonstrate how to analyze SIP phone calls using SNGREP. If you have any further questions, please check out support.voxtelesys.com.